If your credit score isn't where you want it, these are 10 things worth doing. They're simple, they work, and over time, they'll save you a lot of money. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Report non-traditional payments. You're already paying rent, your phone bill, maybe even Netflix. What if those payments could actually build your credit? In the US, tools like Experian Boost let you report utilities and subscriptions. In Canada, Borrowell's Rent Advantage lets you add rent payments to your Equifax report. You're already spending the money, start getting credit for it. Tip 2. Use the 10% rule. Everyone says keep your credit usage under 30%. But if you want a great credit score, stay under 10% per card and 15% overall. Then you need to pay off your card before the statement closing date, not just the due date. That's when the credit bureaus take their snapshot. This one shift can jump your score in less than 30 days. Tip 3. Ask for a credit limit increase. In the US, you can usually do it online. In Canada, a quick call to your bank does the job. Ask every 6 to 12 months, especially after a raise or a clean payment streak. You're already doing the work. Maximize it. More credit equals lower utilization equals higher score. Tip 4. Become an authorized user. You can legally borrow someone else's good credit history. In the US, ask to be added as an authorized user on someone's card. In Canada, use joint accounts or supplementary cards with someone responsible. You don't need to spend anything. Their payment history helps your score. Tip 5. Start with a secured credit card. If no one will approve you for a card, here's your way in. Use a secured credit card. You put down a deposit, say $200, and that becomes your limit. Use it wisely, pay it in full, and watch your score rise. In Canada, try Home Trust Secured Visa. In the US, Capital One Secured is a good starter. This is the safest first step to a solid credit history. Tip 6. Automate your payments. One missed payment can destroy your credit score. Not just drop it, destroy it. Over 100 points? Gone. Avoid this by setting up auto pay for the minimum balance. Then, set a reminder to pay off the rest before the due date. Apps like Mint, Borrowell, and Credit Karma can help. You can also set up auto payments with your bank's credit card if you have a checking account with them. This is non-negotiable. You're not building credit if you're missing payments. Tip 7. Stop applying for credit too often. Applying for 4 credit cards in 2 months? That's a red flag. Every new application creates a hard inquiry that drops your score temporarily. Space out applications at least 6 months apart. Use pre-approval tools that don't affect your score. Tip 8. Keep your oldest card open. Your oldest credit card might be the most valuable. Why? Because age matters. If you close it, you shorten your credit history and your score takes a hit. Keep it open. Tip 9. Build a credit mix. Lenders like variety. They want to see that you can handle more than just a credit card. Credit cards, student loans, auto loans, lines of credit. Each adds to your mix. In Canada, tools like KOHO and Refresh Financial offer credit builder loans if you're just starting. In the US, services like Self work well. Don't force it, but if you need credit anyway, choose something that improves your mix. Tip 10. Check for credit report errors. This one's boring, but powerful. 1 in 5 credit reports has an error. That could mean your score is lower for no good reason. In the US, go to annualcreditreport.com. In Canada, request your reports from Equifax and TransUnion directly. Check for wrong balances, missed payments you didn't miss, accounts you don't recognize. If you find an error, dispute it. They legally have 30 days to fix it. It could mean the difference between approval and rejection. If you guys would like a list of all the websites and companies mentioned in the video for easy access, drop a comment and I'll add a link in the description to download the list. Look, credit's one of those things that doesn't seem important until it is. What we covered today, it's not complicated. Just takes a bit of discipline. Do a few of these things, keep going, and you'll be in a better spot down the line. And if this helped you, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.